Hello, children. I know that you all love playing in the garden, isn't it? Tell me, besides trees, plants, flowers, grass, birds, swings, and slide, what else do you find in a garden? Yes, bees and butterflies hovering over flowers. Today, I, Kahani Wali Nani, am going to tell you a story about bees and butterfly. The story is Bumbly and Butterly. Listen, children. It was summer vacations, and Ira and Lakshya were at their granny's place. Granny was in the kitchen when she heard some noises coming from the children's room. It seems the children are fighting over something. Let me go and see. Granny rushed to their room, and what did she see? She saw that both Ira and Lakshya were shouting at each other. Lakshya had a book in his hand and Ira was trying to snatch it from him. Seeing Granny, both stopped fighting and Ira said, Dadi, see, I want to read this storybook, but Lakshya is not giving it to me. At once Lakshya said, Dadi, I first picked up this book, so I will read it first. But Ira is not allowing me to read it. Granny smiled and took the book from Lakshya's hand and said, You both are fighting like Bumbly and Butterly. Both Lakshya and Ira said together, Dadi, who are Bumbly and Butterly? Are they brother and sister like us? Please tell us about them. Granny laughed and sat down on the bed. No, they are not brother and sister like you. Actually, Bumbly is a bumblebee and Butterly is a butterfly. Oh, Dadi, really? Please tell us more about them. Their fight. Please. Both Ira and Lakshya sat beside Granny. Okay, said Granny and began the story. It is a story a long time ago. There was a beautiful garden in the middle of a city. It was a flower garden. There were roses, tulips, lilies, sunflowers, marigold, and many more. And children, where there are flowers, what do you find? Yes, there are bees humming and butterflies fluttering over the flowers, isn't it? On one end of the garden was a bed of roses. The bed was full of buds. Only one bud had bloomed to become a flower. It was a big red rose. Just then Bumbly, a bumblebee, entered the garden and at the same time Butterly, a butterfly, came in from the opposite side. Bumbly was overjoyed seeing so many flowers. Children, do you know why Bumbly was so happy seeing the flowers? Actually, Bumbly had come in search of flowers so that he could collect nectar from them. Wow, a lovely garden with so many colorful flowers. I can surely collect a lot of nectar from them. He looked around and saw the big red rose. That's a big lovely flower and flew towards it. At the same time, Butterly was looking around for flowers and seeing the big red rose flew towards it. Both Bumbly and Butterly landed on the flower at the same time. Seeing Butterly, Bumbly asked, Hey, who are you? What are you doing here? I am Butterly, butterfly. And who are you? What are you doing here? You see, I am Bumbly, a bumblebee, and I am here to collect nectar from this flower. So move away from here. What? You are here to collect nectar from this flower? No, I will not allow you to do so. I am here to feed on this flower for my breakfast. Go away and find some other place to sit, said Butterly. Bumbly began humming and hovering around Butterly. not allowing her to feed, and Butterly was fluttering her wings in anger. Soon they were both exhausted and tired fighting with each other. Bumbly said, I think you don't know anything about bees. Come with me and I will show you why we bees need nectar from flowers. Panting, Butterly said, Okay. And after that, I will tell you why we butterflies need to feed from flowers. Come, follow me, Bumbly said. He took Butterly to his beehive. The beehive was huge and noisy with the humming and buzzing of bees. Butterly saw many bees flying in and out. Bumbly said, This is our house. It is called a beehive. These bees who are going in and out are worker bees. When I collect nectar from flowers and bring it here, and when honey is formed, I give them to these worker bees and they store it in this honeycomb. They cover the honey with wax to prevent it from being spoiled. And then, pointing towards a huge bee, he said, This is Queen Bee and she lays eggs. Butterly was amazed seeing this. A beehive and a honeycomb. I've never seen this before. Wow, such a beautiful house you have. Now I know why bees suck nectar and why it's important for them to do so. Thanks, friend, for giving me such an important information. I will show you why butterflies need to feed from a flower. Butterly took Bumbly to that part of the garden where there were many small saplings which were beginning to grow. Is this your house over here? Asked Bumbly. No. You see, when I perch on a flower head to suck nectar, the pollen of the flower sticks to my legs, and when I go to another flower, it rubs off. This is how new plants are made, and when these plants grow, there'll be more flowers. Wow, that's great. More flowers means more nectar, and more nectar means more honey. Now I understood that we need you to feed from flowers. This is the way both Bumbly and Butterly became good friends. They both felt sorry for behaving badly with each other and decided to share the nectar from the big red rose. Bumbly collected nectar for her beehive to make honey, while Butterly fed on nectar for the pollen for the next flower. After that, both hugged each other, bid goodbye, saying that from now onwards they would not fight, instead happily share all flowers and be friends forever. Now Granny said, So Ira, Lakshya, was it not a lovely story? Granny looked towards them and both understood. Lakshya said, Come Ira, we will both read this book together. Granny patted them on their back and went back to the kitchen smiling. She knew that both the children had learned their lesson. So children, now you also must have realized that sharing is caring and share things as Bumbly and Butterly. So children, how did you like this story? Do let me know with your likes and comments. And subscribe me and press the bell icon so that you never miss a new story from Kahani Wali Nani Sarla Minni. Meet you again next week with a new story. Till then, goodbye. Take care.